Hello and welcome to the CCAP tutorial video. To begin, right-click the Childcare application link and select Save Link As. You will then save the link as a PDF file on your desktop. Now you can locate the file you saved and open it with a PDF reader such as Adobe Acrobat. When the application opens, be sure to read all the information at the top before filling out the form. A few tips. In order to receive assistance, all parents of the child in need of care living in the household must be working or enrolled in school or training. Remember, every working person in the household that is 21 years or older must submit their last 2 paycheck stubs for employment verification. If you are self-employed, you can submit your most recent federal income tax return, quarterly estimated taxes, or a listing of all business income and expenses for the last 30 days. This can be reported on your own form or on a self-employment form, which can be downloaded directly from the CCAP application by clicking the link here. If you are currently enrolled in school or a training program, there is additional paperwork that will be required before your application can be submitted. As you begin to go through the application, be sure to answer all questions as accurately and honestly as possible. Also, remember to include travel time when filling out the section related to your work schedule. If you have any questions, remember you can always reach out to Say Yes to Childcare for assistance. Please remember that Section 6 of the application must be completed by the provider before you can submit your application. Both parents and providers must electronically sign and date the application before it can be submitted. After you are sure you have completed the application, click Check for errors before saving or printing or emailing. If there are any sections of the application that need to be corrected, they will be highlighted in red. After you make your corrections, save a copy of the application and then click Submit. If you need additional help, please contact us at info@sayestochildcare.org.